AAA credit rating explained. A AAA credit rating is the highest credit rating given to a country, company, or financial institution. It means the borrower is extremely strong financially and has an almost zero chance of failing to repay loans. In simple words, a AAA credit rating means very safe to lend money. AAA shows that the borrower can repay debt even during economic problems or financial crises. Credit ratings are given by professional credit rating agencies. These agencies study income, debt, savings, stability, and past repayment history. A AAA rating means the borrower has strong income, stable finances, good management, and excellent repayment records. The risk of default for a AAA borrower is extremely low. Because of this, investors trust AAA-rated countries and companies the most. Countries with a AAA credit rating can borrow money at very low interest rates. Companies with a AAA credit rating get loans easily and attract big investors. AAA is the highest level in the credit rating system. Below AAA are AA, A, BBB, and lower ratings, which carry more risk. A AAA credit rating is not permanent. It can be downgraded if debt increases, the economy weakens, or financial management becomes poor. AAA credit rating is different from a credit score. Credit ratings are for countries and companies. Credit scores are for individuals. Think of AAA like the best grade in school. It means excellent performance and maximum trust. One simple line to remember is this: AAA credit rating means the safest and most reliable borrower. Easy memory tip. AAA means always able to repay.